My life changed for better. Put laurel and garlic in a bottle, then hide it. Look what happens. There are many people who still perform tricks, which are usually pretty good when looking for economic prosperity or keep away the bad vibes of your life. Today we will give you a wonderful homemade trick, especially very effective where you will only use 2 ingredients, laurel and garlic, and see what it is about. These customs, acquired over the years, have always been used in people living with a very simple life, away from technology and everything that surrounds us today. This trick is in order never to lack prosperity at home. It is especially convenient to run it when there are many worries in the house, and there are economic problems. It is also used to drive away bad energy from home. And, above all, to frighten the spirits. Ingredients: 1. 1 small bottle with cork. 2. 8 garlic cloves. 3. 8 bay leaves. 4. 1 liter of mineral water. 5. 1 funnel. Preparation: 1. Take the small bottle and add the mineral water. 2. Then add 1 by 1, the 7 garlic. 3. Gradually add the bay leaves. 4. Cover the bottle with the cork. 5. Hide the bottle in some corner of the house. Laurel and garlic are 2 plants that have always been used by the people surrounding the Mediterranean Sea as symbols of success and economic prosperity.